Hey, what is going on, guys? Thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. Got huge news for you guys today. I know a lot of you guys have been anxiously anticipating Amazon merch getting hoodies. We've heard about this rumor for a long time. I know last year around October, maybe even September, October, November, on Reddit, we started hearing some rumors that like somehow somebody examined the code on Amazon or Amazon merch and were able to kind of see that they were integrating hoodies into there. Shortly after that, long sleeve tees came out. I've been able to sell long sleeve tees for, I don't know, probably going on a month or two now. And we've continued to hear these rumors about hoodies. I know I was talking to Glenn from Hustler Hacks. I was talking to Young from Merch Minds, who does that show with Glenn. And they kept talking about hoodies. And we don't have hoodies yet, but I'm hearing some people have hoodies. And sure enough, today, January 2nd, 2017, we are excited to announce the launch of Hoodies and Sweatshirts. To be eligible for these products, your account tier must be 100 or higher. So, you know, if you're on tier 10, if you're on tier 25, you're going to have to get up to 100 before you're able to do the hoodies. But hoodies are here. Your account must be tier 100 or higher. We will enable hoodies and sweatshirts for publishing on a rolling basis starting today. So I'm guessing people maybe 1,000 tier and up probably already have hoodies. I personally am at 500 tier. I'm guessing they'll probably be coming to me in the next couple of weeks here. When an account is enabled, options to select the new products will become available in the product creation process. So that's when you upload your t-shirt and you select like Anvil shirt, Bella+Canvas shirt, or for some of you guys also now, long sleeve tee. Once hoodies are enabled for you, you'll actually see hoodies as a drop down right there. I guess hoodies and sweatshirts. Hoodies and sweatshirts are offered in a single unisex fit. Really? Okay, okay. I was like, is there one size? Okay, so it's unisex. So there's not a men's and a women's. It's unisex, and it's going to range from size small to 2XL. Now, hopefully these shirts fit a little bit larger. One thing I notice about Amazon shirts is like a large is actually more like a medium, like especially after you wash it. For a lot of like my girlfriend's family and stuff like that, like her brother's a little bit of a bigger guy, and like normally he'd probably be good in an XL. I normally have to order him like a 2XL, or if you wanted like a baggy shirt or like a sleep shirt, even a 3XL. So hopefully these t-shirts run normal to where they should be. Otherwise, like a 2XL would probably, like especially after washing, would probably be more like a large. So as soon as these are enabled for me, I will get one uploaded right away. I'll order it right away, and I'll make a video showing me wearing it and letting you guys know what I think about them, both in terms of like quality, fit, feel, etc. I'm also curious to see what company is actually making these. So are these going to be like Hanes? Are they going to be Anvil? Are they going to be Bella+Canvas? So really kind of curious to see who makes them as well. And are going to be available in 5 color options: black, navy, royal blue, dark heather, and heather gray. Please note that we will not be able to provide updates on approvals for individual accounts. So don't email them, they're not going to respond to you. But yeah, super excited to hear about this. And one kind of funny thing. My man Mitchie Boy here. So I made 2 videos today. I made one video talking about how Amazon brought me back and is allowing me to upload 10 t-shirts per day as opposed to the 2 t-shirts they were allowing me. And I noticed right as I saw that, I noticed a hoodie thing. And, you know, I made this post, I don't know, maybe 19 minutes ago. Literally, the second I finished making the video, my man Mitchie Boy, who, if you guys don't know Mitchie Boy, he's really active on the channel. A lot of you guys might have talked to him. He's really kind of active in this Rules for Rebels community we have here. And Mitchie is always on top of it when it comes to Amazon merch stuff. He was one of the first guys talking about like the rumors of sweatshirts and long sleeve tees like way back last year. And I think he was one of the first ones to let me know that they had shut down uploads, as well as one of the first guys to let me know that they had re-enabled back uploads. So I thought it was kind of funny, like literally the second I got done making the video, Mitchie Boy, who's on Steemit and also YouTube, guys, check him out on Steemit, check him out on YouTube. He does some good stuff. He had commented that interesting, so you can just sign up. Oh, so this was in regards to the post I made about buying Steemit accounts, but he kind of comments on that, and he says, also, I just noticed my upload limits have been lifted on merch and seen that some people received emails that they can sell hoodies and sweatshirts. Have you gotten an email yet? So I responded back to him. Feeling a little bit manic today, so left him 3 comments. But yeah, Mitchie's always on top of this stuff, so thank you, Mitchie Boy, for the heads up. I had just seen it right before that, but you're always on top of these things, man. But yeah, guys, super excited about this. Like I said, I will let you guys know as soon as these are available to me. I'll order them right away, and I'll make a kind of a video review of them. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button below. Trying to get a silver play button right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.